AI image generation just entered a completely different era. Nano Banana 2 can now understand real locations, generate perfect typography, and create production-ready visuals in seconds. Let me show you the craziest things you can do with it. Alright, so Nano Banana 2 just launched, and I'm testing everything today directly inside Pollo AI, because they already have the model integrated, and also were kind enough to sponsor this video. And what's crazy is, they're currently offering up to 80% off in credits for Nano Banana 2, which makes testing this thing way more affordable than you'd expect. So this is the Pollo AI interface. You can see Nano Banana 2 right here, and I'll be generating everything in this video directly inside the platform. What makes this version interesting isn't just image quality, it's the new capabilities, like search grounding, improved text rendering, and stronger prompt adherence. Alright, so the first thing I want to test is probably the biggest upgrade in Nano Banana 2, search grounding. Basically, instead of guessing what something looks like, Nano Banana 2 can actually search real-world information before generating the image. I'm going to ask it to create a view from an airplane window flying over Tokyo, but using real geographic data. Okay, look at this. Notice how the city layout actually makes sense. The density, the buildings, even the perspective feels like a real travel photo. Let's push this further. Manhattan skyline from an airplane window. Yeah, this is where it gets interesting. You can clearly recognize the real landmarks. So what's happening here is, Nano Banana 2 searches real-world information first, understands the location, and then builds the image. Okay, so now that Nano Banana 2 can understand real locations, let's push this a step further. What if we ask it to visualize real-world events? Let's try creating a cinematic poster for a real match. If you use this prompt, simply replace the teams and venue. Nano Banana 2 creates a cool cinematic poster using the real teams, the real location, and builds poster around that context. So, I'm going to put India versus West Indies Cricket World Cup match, and let's see if it correctly displays the details. Okay, this is actually impressive. Look at the stadium structure, the lighting, even the atmosphere feels like an actual match day poster. Alright, now let's try something much more challenging. Instead of locations or sports events, what happens if we ask Nano Banana 2 to visualize a real-world news situation? So, if you replace location and event name in this prompt, Nano Banana can accurately visualize the breaking news using search grounding. So, if I replace the current events, we can see how accurately it visualizes the current news. This honestly feels like something pulled straight from a news agency. Instead of waiting for stock photos or photographers, you can instantly visualize an event concept as it happens. Before we move to the next use case, quick reminder, everything you're seeing in this video, the prompt structure, the workflows, all of this is already organized step by step inside my Nano Banana Pro Prompt guide. Inside the guide, you get complete copy-paste prompt templates, full workflow breakdowns, 90+ crazy professional use cases, just like these. So instead of guessing or experimenting for weeks, you can just follow proven systems and get results immediately. You'll find the direct link to the guide in the description and pinned comment. Okay, now this is the feature that genuinely surprised me. For years, AI image generators have struggled with one thing, text. But Nano Banana 2 might have finally fixed that. I'm going to generate a full newspaper front page with structured layout, headlines, and readable body text. Create a photorealistic front page newspaper placed on a wooden table near a window in soft morning light. Main headline: Nano Banana 2 sets new benchmark in AI image generation. Include properly formatted columns with readable paragraph text, realistic newspaper layout, subheadings, and a featured image on the right. Look at this. The headline is clean. The spacing makes sense. The paragraphs are actually readable. Even the small text is properly structured. Nano Banana 2 is also very good at creating educational content. I tested another example. Create a professional Instagram educational post titled 5 Mistakes New Content Creators Make. Include clearly readable bullet points with perfect spelling and layout. Modern social media design, bold typography, clean spacing, high-end creator branding style, ultra-clear text rendering. Look at this. The headline is clean, the spacing is balanced, The bullet points are readable. Even the smaller text makes sense. Alright, now this might be one of the most practical features in Nano Banana 2. Instead of generating random images, let's try creating an actual advertisement. I'm going to start by creating a master ad, just one universal design. Create a premium cinematic advertisement for a luxury perfume brand called Éclat Nocturne. Minimalist background. Okay, this already looks like a real commercial campaign. Clean layout, professional lighting, proper branding hierarchy. Now here's where Nano Banana 2 becomes really powerful. With Nano Banana 2, we can take this one master ad and localize it instantly for any market. Instead of redesigning everything, we keep the product the same and ask Nano Banana 2 to adapt the advertisement culturally. Let's do it first for Japanese market. Now Nano Banana 2 understands Japanese design preferences, cleaner layouts, specific typography styles, and regional branding aesthetics. Now, if we do it for Middle Eastern market, same product, completely different visual language, warmer tones, luxury accents, culturally appropriate styling. Because we are using search grounding, Nano Banana 2 references real-world design trends and localization patterns instead of guessing. Think about this for a second. You could create global ad campaigns, multilingual marketing posts, international product launches, localized social media content starting from a single image. Alright, let me show you another really fun use case. One thing Nano Banana 2 is extremely good at is transforming existing images. So instead of starting from scratch, I'm going to upload a normal photo. Now watch what happens when we add this prompt. Create a creative 3D illusion artwork of the person in the uploaded image emerging from a spiral notebook page placed on a wooden desk. Basically, we're telling Nano Banana 2 to keep the person's identity the same, but transform the scene into a 3D notebook illusion. Okay, this looks amazing. Notice how it keeps the facial features accurate, but blends illustration and realism together. The lower body becomes a sketch, while the upper body pops out in 3D. And if you want to master Nano Banana beyond just basic prompts, my full Nano Banana Pro Prompt guide breaks down advanced structures, cinematic workflows, ad templates, character systems, and 100+ pretty cool use cases like the one I shared. It's designed for creators who want consistent, professional results, and it's updated regularly. Link is in the description. So overall, Nano Banana 2 is a serious upgrade. And if you want to try Nano Banana 2 yourself, you can access it right now inside Pollo AI. They're currently offering up to 80% off in credits, which makes experimenting with these workflows way more affordable. I've added the official link in the description below. And if you want part 2, where we push Nano Banana 2 even further, comment part 2 below.